It's me, Luminor. Recently I asked Chat GPT to tell me a fun programming project. Then it made me make game development. It made me make a game with all the necessary concept like the game concept, storyline, game mechanics, and other other necessary things in making a game. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Now, the first thing I did is to download the Unity app from the Unity website. While I'm waiting for the Unity to download, I'm going to tell you a story. Uh, tell you the concept of the game I just made up. Okay, here's the concept. Imagine you are a astronaut sent to space to find a habitable planet. Along the way, you need to sustain yourself. You need air, water, food, health, and fixing the spaceship so it won't explode. Lastly, click that subscribe button. You need it. Since I don't know how to use Unity yet, so I speedrun a little bit of a Unity tutorial. After watching some tutorials, I quickly proceed with the drawing of some basic assets. Next, I work on with the coding. After finishing the code, I test it instantly. Then it finally works. Then I thought things will get easier from now on. Am I forgetting about something? Ah, yeah, the game. Okay. The next thing I did is to draw some tile sets for the interior of the spaceship. For some reason, I do not know what's happening. Why the tile set I created is not working for some reason. Dun, dun, dun. Set to multiple. At this point, I'm really tired. Working on working on most of the time. Ugh. At this point, I'm tired. Working on most of my time, thinking and figuring out how to make my tile set work better. Well, how to make my tile sets better.
What? I can slice?
Look at this. These are all the tiles that I created, and I did some basic character script to work with my the game I'm planning to make. But I think I'm kind of giving up on this one. Oh, oh, hey, what is this?
Here's a look start to finish of what it's currently like to make a scene in my custom pixel art rendering engine. Starting off with an empty scene in Blender, I first add some stairs by duplicating a stretched cube with the array modifier. I decided I want some big stone tiles at the top. Here I add a bit of damage using a boolean cut. I extrude some cylinders to form the shape of a larger tree at the top of the hill. At this point, my project is a mess of unorganized objects, so I take some time to organize it into collections. To make the rocks look more rock-like, I apply a procedural displacement and remesh to reduce the poly count. The stone blocks also get some height map. Here, I'm painting in a dirt path in the terrain and adding some light hills.
Ba't parang mas madali ata ito kaysa sa...
I decided the leaves of the big tree look a bit too spherical, so I go back to Blender to fix that.
Why does this seem so easy, man? Like I'm grinding my ass off. I know this might sound stupid, but I think I'm going to try making this on 3D now.